Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest on Cam, and the title of the video is Sovereign Citizen Gets Owned by Deputies, man. Listen, we've done a few of these Sovereign Citizen ones, and every time it gets me, man. It's like, yo, what type of stuff is this? Like, y'all own people? Y'all don't think y'all gotta follow the law like everybody else? That's crazy. But yo, let's get into it, man.
Hey, I'm Deputy Dorsey, Flag County Sheriff's Office, your license, registration, insurance.
What's that?
I'm Deputy Dorsey, Flag County Sheriff's Office, your license, registration, and insurance.
Well, why am I being pulled over?
Your tag's expired.
Okay. Can you just write me a ticket?
And your license, registration, and insurance, sir.
I'm not driving, I'm traveling. Can you just write the ticket and I'll be on my way?
No, I need your license, registration, and insurance.
I'm not driving.
I'm not driving, I'm traveling. Yo, they lingo be so crazy, bro. Like, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro? You're not driving, you're traveling. Bro, your stuff gotta be registered. It gotta be, everything gotta be legit to be driving on the roads, man. Imagine, right? I'm just gonna get off on a little tangent here, but imagine, right? Cause I had I got in a car accident a little while ago, in the beginning of this year. And I remember while I was waiting for the police to show up to assess the accident, cause the dude, he hit and ran. And when, hold on, let me put me on the big screen real quick, man. Listen, I know you ain't here to listen to me. You know what I'm saying? You want to watch the video. But for my true supporters, the guys that want to get to know me a little bit, man, hey, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. But anyway, so yeah, so I got into an accident the beginning of this year, January of 2024. The guy, it was raining or whatever, he hit me and he took off. And I know I was sitting there waiting, and I was like, man, like, I was calling, you know, I called the police, whatever, wait for them to arrive. And then I got people showing up or whatever, or people calling me that's like, yo, you better hope this guy has insurance, because everything is online nowadays. Like, I looked up, I had the tag. I took the video of the tag. Boom, had the tag. I could pull his whole file up. Like, I knew who the guy was, everything. Like, it's crazy how everything is online. But there's some people that drive around with no insurance and this and stuff like that. So if you get into a car accident and the guy has no insurance, I mean, you're pretty much shit out of luck. Pretty much, like, you have no one to pay for your vehicle or your damages or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, or anything. But luckily that guy did have insurance. But this brings me back to these sovereign citizen people. These people are driving around with no insurance, no this, no that, and they get into an accident, and the person that they hit or whatever is pretty much shit out of luck. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it sucks, you know? That's why everyone gotta have insurance and stuff, when in case things, you know, go wrong, somebody could pay for it, you know? But anyway, let's go.
Failure to exhibit DL upon demand is criminal.
Excuse me?
Failure to exhibit DL upon demand is criminal.
This is a crime?
If you don't exhibit your DL upon demand, when stopped by a law enforcement officer on a traffic stop, you are detained.
Me then?
Are you going to give me your license?
I'm not. I'm not driving. Are you going to arrest me?
Can you step out of your vehicle for me?
No. Am I under arrest?
Charlie 213 Flagler.
Raining.
1069 code 2 reference non-compliant operator. 54 for now. He's just recording me with his window up and won't identify. Can't hear you. I can't hear you. Your window's up. I can't hear you. Huh? I can't hear you. Huh? Sir, can you give me your license? Can you give me your license? Can you step out of the vehicle for me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Can you step out of your vehicle for me?
Oh, you seen my boy put on them gloves. When he put on them gloves, you know what that mean. You better tighten up. You better get your act together. If you don't, they gonna get you with that act right. Well, if you don't want to act accordingly and appropriately, they gonna hit you with that act right, boy.
Huh? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I cannot hear you. Can you at least crack your window? How can I write you a ticket without your license? I can barely hear you. Can you roll down your window for me? Can you roll down your window for me? Can you roll down your window for me, sir? I cannot hear you. Can you at least crack it? At least crack it so I can talk to you? Can you step out of the vehicle for me? Yeah. Sir, can you step out of the vehicle for me? I cannot hear you. You need to roll down the window, open the door or something.
What are you doing touching my vehicle? What are you doing? I do not consent to any of this. Ow! I'm belted in. I'm belted in. My hands are here. It's legal.
Out of the vehicle. On the ground.
What are you doing? Help! 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 Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Told you.
Help me! Help me! I'm not resisting! Help me! 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 Help! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! I haven't done anything! Help me! Help me!
Roll to your side.
Help me! Help me!
We're gonna stand you up, all right?
This hurts!
We're gonna stand
This
you up. All right?
hurts!
Ready?
I do not
Are you gonna act like an adult or what? Literally. I mean, gosh, how old are you yelling like that when you know you're in the wrong? You know you watch too many TikTok videos that souped your head up about this sovereign citizen stuff. You know you watch too many YouTube videos from YouTube lawyers. Wannabe YouTube lawyers. You know, we got some legit guys out there, but you know, the wannabe guys that think they know the law, but they really don't, and they pushing the sovereign citizen stuff. Don't let these people soup your head up, because this is what's gonna happen. You don't want to cooperate and you don't want to go with the program? Listen, it's simple. License, registration, proof of insurance. You traveling? All right, you gonna travel, all right. You gonna travel. You ain't traveling the way you think you going, but you gonna travel with us. That's where you going.
consent to any of this.
All right, you're being placed under arrest, okay?
What for? My glasses?
I'll let you know in a second, all right? We're going back here to my car.
My
Left side.
glasses.
Left side.
What is this? What is this? You have to tell me what I've done.
I'll tell you in a second,
What
all
have I
right?
done? What have I done?
You feel to exhibit your deal upon demand, that is resisting, okay?
I didn't resist anything. I didn't resist anything. I do not consent to any searches or seizures. Are your body cameras on?
Yes, sir, they are.
You are
You're being placed
under arrest. It don't
What?
matter.
And upon being
For
placed
what?
under arrest, you're subject to search before entering my vehicle.
Where are my rights? Why have you not read me my rights?
I don't have to, sir.
What?
They're
I'm
not questioning
you. That's
you.
What?
vehicle.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
All right.
Yeah, ding dong. You only get red Miranda if they're about to question you, ding dong. Like, what are you talking about? There ain't nothing to talk about. There ain't nothing to question you about this incident or nothing. You're done, okay?
You're being placed under arrest, okay? For resisting, okay?
Resisting what?
I lawfully stopped a
Resisting
traffic
what?
stop. I asked you for ID. You failed to exhibit.
Resisting
You then rolled
what?
up your window.
Is that a crime?
Yes, it is.
Is that what crime?
Resisting.
What crime? What
All right,
crime is that?
watch your leg.
What law is broken? What law is broken?
Don't worry, you'll find out.
Where are you taking me? Are you kidnapping me? Am I under arrest?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Traveling.
For what?
Resisting.
Resisting what?
Traveling.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.